This is what happens when you retire. Marcus Spears and I agreed to do a fast. I'm about
For what?
just
You agreed to do it during the holidays?
this is what happens when you retire. You fucking do stupid shit like this, and I'm agreed to do it. And then it's over tomorrow morning. I'm not gonna do it for Thanksgiving. I'm gonna eat my face off on Thanksgiving. I just feel bad about myself because I was at Disney World and ate a bunch of freaking egg rolls and a bunch of like other things that probably aren't the best for Dole Whip and all these. Then I went to Wisconsin and shoved a prime rib and an ice cream drink down my face and wings, and the weight's been going up. So yeah, we're going on a fast. I'm about 36 hours in.
I love you guys are fasting right before Thanksgiving. When you'll have a fucking awesome Thanksgiving, you'll be fucking starving.
I might eat a whole turkey by myself by that point.